Hi all. Just thought I'd show you a couple of things that we were talking about the other day. This is the Takom Panzer IA. We've just had the Panzer IB come in, but I thought I'd just show you. This was built by one of our customers. This is the 16th scale Panzer IA. This is very nice. He did add the figure to it, so that's not normally comes with a kit, but I thought I'd show you some of the detail on what you can get. The modeller that did it is very, very good. He does a nice work. The base is all done by himself as well. But if you have a look, there's the amount of detail on the kit is really, really nice. And with the weathering effects that you can get, this is obviously done as an Africa Corps one, I believe. The weathering effects that you can get just by simple detail is just superb. So, as I said, it's not a big unit. So you're not going to take up a lot of space for it being 16 scale, but if you're looking for just that little bit more of interest, the track's all beautifully done, all this sort of stuff, all the engine gear and all the decking is just really, really nice. The kit itself apparently went together very, very well. He was very happy with it. He's probably spent more time doing the detailing and painting than he did actually building it. So if you're looking for that canvas that you just want to really go to town on and have a bit of fun with and all the rest of it, then have a go at one of these. And as I said, this is the A model, which is out of stock nowadays, but the B model's just arrived. So it gives you an idea of size and what you're looking at when you go to build it. So if you're interested, get one, have fun with it, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Have a great day. Talk to you then. See you then. Bye.